Hey guys, what's up? This is Ryan here. Somebody. Oh, that doesn't. The tail. I mean, not tail. The tractor's off-road. It's got a problem. It won't start for me. So I don't know what's going on here. It looks like there's like water got inside of the engine compartment. It looks like it doesn't really look like there's all that much, but you can tell it's been. Hey, so I'll show you what it's doing right now. You turn it on. That's what it's doing right now, and you can see the lights flickering right here. You can see it's. I don't know what's going on here. Does the light still work? Yes, they do. They still work. It won't go forward and reverse. So, see, nothing. See, nothing. So, I don't know what's going on here. It seems like the thing has a problem. So, I mean, it hasn't been used recently. So, I don't know. I think the starter motor's locked up or something like that. I don't know. It's not starting in front of me. So, I mean, I want to see that Dad actually take a look and see what's wrong with this. So, I don't know why it's not starting right now. So it's weird. I mean, it's got the fully charged battery right now, so there's no freaking reason why it's not starting right now. It could be locked up or something like that. I don't know. I mean, see, it just won't do anything. See, it won't do anything. So I don't know what's going on. So, yeah. You guys are thinking like, what's going on? Like, won't start. So I'll let Dad take a look and see what's wrong with it, because it hasn't been. This is 1 year old right now. I don't know what's going on. It did start. Oh, it did use. So yeah.